Welcome back. The stock of the moment right now on the way down is EaseMyTrip. So just keep an eye out on that. That stock's been buzzing on account of large trades that have taken place. And this morning, almost 2.3% equity traded hands on this counter. Who were the participants? Well, we have the promoter with us, Prashant Pitti, the co-founder, joining in now. Prashant, the first question, of course, 2.3% equity changing hands. Did the promoters participate in the large trade? Were you the sellers?
Yes, the promoter family did participate in the sale of the shares, Mangalam. And the reason is that there were a big marquee investors who wanted the bigger piece of the company. And, since the liquidity wasn't much in the trade, we had to give out the bigger piece. We had to give out some piece to the marquee investor to get them excited about the stock. And this was the primary reason why this trade happened. However, the majority of the money which we have raised will actually go directly or indirectly in the benefit of EaseMyTrip. We are under an NDA right now, and hence I may not be able to disclose more about that. But in the coming few weeks, you will hear about it.
All right. You spoke about investors. Is it an individual? Is it an institution? Do they already hold stake in your company?
So that something is what we will intimate to the SEBI first as the time comes by.
Are you looking at any further stake sale in the business? No,
we are not. We basically, in the near future, you will not see promoter family, promoter group selling stake.
All right. That's as far as the large trade is concerned. Now, yesterday there was the big announcement that came in that, LRS has been postponed from July 1 to October 1. Not sure if you had a large proportion of sales coming in from international bookings anyway, but if you could give us, what proportion of your sales came in from international bookings, and was there any impact of international bookings or international holiday trips that were booked because of the LRS announcement that was made earlier?
Not really, Mangalam. We did not see a huge number drop or enhancement after this revision which has been made. EaseMyTrip is, however, growing internationally, as you are aware of. We are growing in various parts of the world. But specifically because of LRS, neither did we saw the dip nor we saw the gain for the news which has come just now.
Okay, so how have bookings been in Q1? Because we were just speaking to Thomas Cook. They did say Q1 in anticipation of this new TCS rule, which was supposed to be kicking in from 1st July, was good. But you did say that there has been no such impact. So how has quarter been like versus Q4?
Q1 is usually the stronger quarter compared to the Q4 quarter. So we are expecting Q1 to be in lines with whatever the industry movement is. However, for the entire year, I have already given my, we have already shared our possible numbers for FY24. For this particular FY24, we anticipate our GMV to double up, and so should our bottom line be. We are expecting strong tailwinds, and there are certain things which are happening in the organization, and which you will hear very soon about, because of which we are expecting more than 100% increase in both our GMV and our bottom line as well.
The way you're talking, it seems like there is an acquisition which is on the cards, a merger or a deal, because one promoter is raising about 160, 170 odd crores via 2.3% stake sale. Secondly, you are looking at doubling your numbers from here. And the third thing you said, you are under an NDA with a deal which you will soon tell us. Could you give us a sense of what one should expect? Is it how do promoters put that money back into the company?
I cannot speak further about this, but I'm sure in the coming weeks you will hear more as the deal completes and transaction happens.
All right, Prashant, thank you so much for joining in. We will speak with you in the coming weeks, as you said. But as of now, it is an NDA. A good clarification coming in that the promoters have participated in the deal and some investors. So we'll watch out for the announcement on the exchanges for that.
Oh yes, it is an important clarification that we got from the company. So that's about EaseMyTrip. The stock is lower by 3.5%. But for the markets, continues to look good. Nifty